Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to listen to NOAA weather radio broadcast with an app. So first you go on the App Store. This is for iOS. You go to Police Scanner Radio and Fire. I already had it download, so it open. You see how it has and then search up NOAA, and then you'll get a lot of choices. We're gonna pick this one. Okay, that one's offline.
Issued from 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday for the following areas in Alabama: Baldwin Central, Baldwin Coastal, and Baldwin Inland. A marine dense fog has been issued from 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday for the following marine location: Perdido Bay Area. Here's your National Weather Service forecast.
Yeah,
Today,
that's how you
areas
get
of
it.
dense fog